That river and those mouldering tower have seen us side by side when, having clomb the dark stone windings of the broken stair and crept along the ridge of fractured wall, not without trembling, we safely looked forth through some Gothic window's open space and gathered with one mind in a rich reward from the far-stretched landscape. An extract from the famous 1798 poem, The Prelude by William Wordsworth. He was inspired by the ruins of Brougham Castle and its beautiful location. Located in Cumbria and originally a Roman fort, the castle was founded by Robert I of de Vieux-Port in the early 12th century. The Vieux-Port family were powerful landowners in the northwest of England, and Robert I was one of the only lords still loyal to King John at the signing of the Magna Carta in 1215. The family's loyalty to the king was brought into question in 1264, when Robert's grandson was declared a traitor and the castle was confiscated by Henry III. In 1269, the lands and castle were passed to the Clifford family. Robert de Clifford was an English soldier who became the first Lord Warden of the Marches, responsible for the security of the border between England and Scotland. Brougham Castle underwent a refortification, with the stone gatehouses and outer walls added. A moat was also built when the castle became an important military base during the Wars of Scottish Independence in 1296. The castle stood strong during the First War of Independence between 1296 and 1328. It was the Second War in 1388 that took its toll, with the castle being captured by the Scots and sacked. Brougham remained in the Clifford family, but was seldom used and fell into disrepair by 1592. Lady Anne Clifford inherited the castle in 1643 and restored the estate. In 1676, the castle was passed to the 6th Earl of Thanet, who sold the furnishings and left Brougham to decay. The ruins became a playground for the young William Wordsworth and ingrained in his works.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.